Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I'm here with a small haul from Dollar Tree, Tuesday morning, and AC Moore's. Half the stuff in the Dollar Tree has already been taken out the bag, but I did buy me some chalk, and this is just for my little inspiration board on the wall that I write notes to myself. Some pens, and I like these pens. I like the thicker ink versus the fine ink, but these roll pretty good. These are the R2 rollers. I like them in the black or the blue, but I love the black ink. I love, it's 0.7 millimeters. I love it when my ink flows. I hate it when it stops flowing because even though I don't like to write, when my ink doesn't flow, I don't like to write. I got some envelopes, and of course I needed some personally just to mail stuff, but I also thought about doing, like, I was thinking about some of my videos I did back in the day. When I first started out, all I did was mini albums, and I actually thought about maybe making me some more mini albums. Like, I used to make mini albums out of these and these. I know some of the mini albums, basically, you know, we make out of file folders. I make mini albums out of everything besides, you know, chipboard, file folders, paper bags, you know, these types of envelopes, the other type of envelopes that you use for greeting cards. I mean, so many different things. So I just thought about maybe playing around and making some out of the old school back in the day that we used to do. So, I'll probably be doing some of that pretty soon to help kill some paper because a couple people wanted some mini albums. So I may be doing that. And what else I was going to say about that? But anyway, there just be some old styles that we made before. And then I picked this up. And this is just, I like this. This is just something that, you know, I was going to use for my grandson. But these come in handy. Like, I know at my old job, the therapist I used to work with, we would assess a child, and they would put like a testing protocol in here, and you can write on this and then wipe this off. So it kind of comes in handy so you can make it reusable. This plastic was really good about doing that. So I got this just for some different inserts that you can use and then reuse it. And I got some more glitter paper. I got some other stuff, but I swear I moved my bag from the Dollar Tree. Then I went to TM. I got another pad of this, only two different ones, because again, I have a lot of stamps that don't have any foam mounting on the back, and that way I think it would encourage me to use them by having that pad, because it's just difficult when they don't stick. And then I did pick up, I didn't get the watercolor pens because I have a lot of watercolors, and it's just basically, but it's nice, those brushes are nice with watercolors, but once the color runs out, it's kind of gone. And I probably didn't maybe need this, but I did get this. I already have the clear gold and silver one, but this is the green, indigo, and brick red, the glitter pens. And that is the number. And just in case you can't see it, it is 1955093, and that's artsy. And it didn't say this one or show the number, and this was $1.99, and it's 1939386 if you're looking for the foam mounts. And like I said, these are $5.99. The only other thing I got, and we didn't get anything this week. Interesting. I went to a couple, to three of them, and each one of them was funny because I went in and one of the girls, well, she's a manager actually, and she was like, "Oh, Dawn, we don't have anything. No need for you shopping. We haven't got a truck this week." And I already been in there last week, and she was telling me that TM is doing a new system on the inventory to get this stuff off the ships because it take too long off the ships, off the truck. So they're doing some kind of new process of removing this stuff, so it won't take as many hours, which is great for them, but at the same time it's also going to cost people jobs because they're going to cut out the people, I guess, to do the stocking and unstocking of the trucks. So I know each one of the stores in my area are going to be losing a person, so I hate when people have to lose a job. I mean, that's just, I mean, you want things fast, but, you know, just like Walmart, you know, I hate when I go to Walmart, and I usually go through the checkout line, even if I got 2 or 3 things, because I just feel like people need a job. I mean, it is convenient to have those speedy checkouts. There's nothing wrong. I'm not judging anybody, but I just, you know, that, you know, because I've used them too. But I'm just saying, you know, when I'm conscious of it, sometimes it's just like, gosh, you know, it's like in the essence and of speed, we're cutting out so many jobs for people because machines and technology and is doing everything faster, and it's like, okay, unemployment is just going to go up. I just think that's so hard sometimes. But all the Tuesday mornings around here are going to lose at least one person. So I'm like, oh, and I got 8 stores. So I just hate to think about that people have to, it's hard out here. Like this is hard out here for a pimp. It's hard out here for anybody. But that's the one people that I don't think it's hard out here for is a pimp. And for y'all don't know that reference, don't worry about it. It was from a movie. I digress. Anyway, Authentique. I did pick this up, and I had the other one in my hand, of the paper pad that I just used, rugged, when I made the mail flip book, tag flip book. But anyway, so this one, what's the name of this one? Oh, Dapper. I thought that was cute. I think I had this, but I'm not sure. No, it doesn't look familiar because it's the guy one. I don't have this one, but I thought it was cute. They did have some more paper pads. They had a ton of Maggie Holmes stuff in there. If you want any Maggie Holmes paper, for the last 2 weeks they had a ton of them. They got Bloom, Open House. I just lost the name of them. I don't know, but it's like maybe 6 paper pads of Maggie Holmes if you're looking for Maggie Holmes. Just wish they had some more ephemera. The only thing they had for ephemera, and this piece already came off. I'm looking at it right now. But these like the clips, and the little metallic piece came off, which I was going to take them off the clips, but I don't like stuff to fall apart before I ever use it. Crepe paper. That right there. And that number is 1937152, and that's $1.49. And my bad, that SKU number is $2.99. The SKU number for Dapper 6x6 paper pad is 1952017. And then this one again, like I said, this is just the clips. Then I went to AC Moore's early in the week. And I posted this on my Instagram probably last week. And all of the not Maggie Holmes, goodness gracious, all of the Project Life stuff, they're clearancing that out. Cheap. I did not get any Project Life cards, which there were a ton of them. And the big packs were probably, I think the most expensive pack was $3. So if you're looking for any Project Life stuff, cheap. I just got some of the chipboard ones because I don't have a lot. I have stickers and stuff, but I really don't have. I like the thickness because it adds dimension. So these were $1.50. So I got this Adventure Pack 33. Got foil in them. And these were all on clearance. And they actually had quite a few different stuff on clearance. And like I said, these are all $1.50. This is Inspire. But if you need any of those kits, the kits that I think like $10 and $20, they were all like $3. This is Confetti. Sorry about that glare. And then this one is High Five. And I'm not even worried about the paper pad as long as it matches my colors. We're good to go. I got this. They had quite a few, not quite a few, maybe probably about 7 or 8. Well, let me see. Yeah, probably about 8 or 9 different Desire dyes that were on clearance. And this one was, I believe it was $4.79. So that was actually, they were actually, all the dyes they had were cheaper than the ones on Tuesday morning right now. So they had all the edge, on the edge dyes. They were, I think the most expensive, they were $3.99 to, no, it was $4.50, I think, to $5.50 or something like that. I know whatever it was. It was way cheaper. It was like at least $1 or $2 cheaper than it was in Tuesday morning. But again, that was $4.79. And then the last thing I got was the sticker book, which of course I paid a full price. It was $19.99, and I showed all different, I think it was 15 different sticker books they had. So my Joann's, I know a lot of people have Joann's. My Joann's, they're so, even though we have bigger ones now, they moved into different stores. They don't have anything in their scrapbooking section. It's so frustrating. They rarely have anything. So we don't have any of the new stuff. We don't have any of the punches by Fiskars. We don't have any of the embossing folders. We don't have any of the sticker books. We don't have any of that stuff. And I've been to, I think we only have 1, 2, 3 Joann's that I'm aware of in my area. And, you know, I go places. So none of them have it. And I went to all 3 of them. We got 8 Tuesday. We had 9, but we only got 8 Tuesday mornings left. And all the Michaels, you know, I keep up with all of them. But anyway, they had this, and of course, I paid 50%, and I had a 20% off. So that's why I only got 1 though. But this was the Maggie Holmes, and you can see the different sticker sheets. But I posted them on Instagram. So they had Maggie Holmes, they had Shamel, Jane Hadfield, they had Amy Tangerine, they had who am I forgetting right now? Dear Lizzie, season ones, they have faith ones, I can't even think right now. But if you want to check it out, go to DaretoBeCreative 1. You can see the different pictures. But like I said, if you have it in your Joann's, then you already seen this. But again, you know, I get stuff when I get stuff on sale. So I actually use that in the layout and a planner. So I'm not a big, I mean, I buy a lot of stickers. I don't use them as much as I need. I should use them, but these are pretty cute. And I love the foiling. And I was working on something. I thought, oh, I could use this. That's another planner page. So I could use these stickers. And so whatever you kind of like, you know, whatever paper pads that you have to go along with it. Like I said, most of the designers that you can think of, they had a sticker book. And so if you're like me and you can't find anything, check out AC Moore's. Of course, I heard a lot of people don't have AC Moore's. I believe it's just on the East Coast. So I don't know. But anyway, I got that one. And I may go back and get one or two other ones. But they're always going to be on sale when I get it. Because I'm not paying $20 for stickers. Alright, so thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. Bye-bye.